Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Naira4all. In today's video, I'm going to show you a platform that I've generated over 85,000 Naira from this platform. And a lot of people have been asking, is this platform still paying? And in this video, you're going to see that this platform is still paying legitimately to the users who are members in this platform. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I was able to make over 85,000 and my payment proof so that you can see by yourself. So once again, if this is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, my name is Naira4all. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So once I upload a new video, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. And don't forget to turn the notification bell to all so you won't miss any of my videos. And as well, don't forget to share this video. As you can see, that this is my account right now. So this is Naira4all, as you know. This is Naira4all. So you can simply click the link at the description down below to sign up an account. Actually, signing up an account on Naira4all is just one-time payment of 3,000 Naira. So you'll be allowed to sign up on the platform so you can begin to make money from the platform. So when you click on the link at the description down below, I will also pin the link at the comments box so you get to see the link. So when you click on the link at the comment at the description down below, so it's going to bring you to this platform. You can see Naira4all. So when you come to this place, you click on register an account. You click on register account so that you can sign up an account, and make sure before you sign up an account with Naira4all that you have your 3,000 Naira registration fee. As you can see, please know the following before registering. Membership registration fee is 3,000 Naira. It's one-time payment, 3,000 Naira. So, and it is very important you have your 3,000 Naira seated already in your bank account so that once you register your account, you can upgrade your account immediately and get approved so that you begin to earn as soon as possible. And as you can see, the registration is very simple. Just your first name, last name, your email address, your username and password, and submit, and boom, then you can go ahead and make your payment. So that is all about that. You can register an account right now. And you want to ask, is Naira4all still paying, or is this platform still legit? Well, Naira4all is still paying till this very moment. It has not changed. It's still paying every now and then to the user. And the amazing thing about this platform is that Naira4all has been since 2015. To 2015 to this very moment, Naira4all is still active, very active and paying. So it has been since 2015, as you can see down below here. Since 2015, Naira4all has been paying. So, and it's getting more advanced every day by day. So I want to show you how my payment proof of 85,000 Naira from Naira4all. You can see these statistics. I'm going to check the statistics so that I can show you the money that I've earned. And a lot of people have been getting confused. Is Naira4all going to pay with PayPal account, or they're going to pay with Pioneer, or they're going to pay me to my direct bank account? In this video, I'm going to tell you that Naira4all, they pay into your Naira bank account. You don't need PayPal account to receive your commission. You don't need Pioneer to receive your commission. Naira4all pay you directly into your bank account. The only company that pays into PayPal account or you pay using Bitcoin are all those companies that are partnered with Naira4all. Naira4all partner with them. So those are the companies that only pay you as member with PayPal account. But when you want to receive your commission from Naira4all, they pay you directly into your bank account. And once you have minimum of 1,500 naira, you can be sure of receiving your payment. You can see the status that I've been receiving payment from Naira4all. You see 3,000, see 3,000 here, you see 1,500, you see 2,500, you see 1,500, and so many. You see 1,500, see 1,500, see 1,500, see 3,000, 4,500, 4,500, 1,500, 1,500, 1,500, so many. So I've been getting paid from this platform. You see 1,500, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 1,500, 1,500, 3,000, 3,000, 4,500, 6,000, 6,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000, 3,000. So you see so many payment proof, and all these ones are being paid. And you see in total right here, 85,000 naira have been generated already from this platform. And you want to ask, how was I able to earn such amounts of money from Naira4all? Well, on Naira4all, there are so many ways that you can actually make money from this platform. Naira4all has about 9 or 10 ways that you can make money from the platform, and this is one of the best way I myself have discovered to make money from Naira4all myself. So it's one of the best way I myself have discovered that it gives me opportunity to make money from the platform. And this is where you get your affiliate link and refer your friends. You get your affiliate link and refer your friends to the platform. And when you refer your friends, you get to earn 1,500. As you can see right here, that all these are affiliate payout, 1,500, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500, and you see so many of it. All these are affiliate payout that I've received so far from Naira4all, that has accumulated to over 85,000 naira from Naira4all. And how do you do this? The simple way to do this is when you sign up using the link at the description down below, or the link I'm going to pin at the comment section. So what you're going to do, once you have registered, upgrade your account to the premium member, then copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, then you can use it to refer your friend, share with share on Facebook group, share on WhatsApp, and share it on many ways. Then once anybody sign up, you are going to earn 1,500 naira. Going to earn 1,500 naira, and you can see it right here. Make 1,500 over and over. This will give you access of making 1,500 over and over. And if you're able to refer 10 people a week, you know what that is? You should be roughly about 15,000 naira. So if you're able to refer such people like that, you'll be sure of every week you'll be making roughly 10,000 naira. So you can see that the platform is so amazing. Until this very moment of making this video, Naira4all is still paying. So you don't have any doubt, you don't need to be scared, you don't need to be afraid of anything. Naira4all platform is still paying. All you need to do, click the link at the description down below, then sign up an account and upgrade your account with 3,000 naira, and you'll be happy and you'll be good to go. So guys, this is the short video on how I was able to generate over 85,000 naira from Naira4all, and you too can do better than what I've done, because I never concentrate on this platform. So you can do better when you sign up on this platform. So guys, don't forget to drop me a comment if you have a question concerning this video. So drop me a comment concerning Naira4all, and I will be there to reply and answer your comment. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, to also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because every week I make sure I upload a new video, so that when I upload my next video, you won't get to miss my video. And if you have not liked this video, please like this video, and don't forget to expect my video next week. Love you guys.